Hi guys, I'm in the car park of the supermarket. This time last year I was an absolute fluff, but this year I'm not, because I'm very prepared. We're going to have bonfire night and I'm going to go and get some stuff for tonight. So I don't know which one. Shall we use, I think it's about the Terminator. I have got my stuff. I'm going to purchase a box of fireworks. Let the fun begin. I have chopped up my vegetables. I have some gungo peas that I had frozen in the freezer. And I'm going to mix. I'm going to add some gluten, vital wheat. You don't have to use gluten, you can just use any other alternative flour. And then all-purpose seasoning. Be careful with all-purpose seasoning, it's got a lot of salt hidden in there, and it should come together and make a lovely dough. And then I'm going to now make it into our burgers. Put this here. Just fry it in the oil. Oops. Just gently frying in oil. I know. I've got some vegan mayonnaise. Ooh. That's what's splashing. Nice, there's our burger. And I'm going to build it. A little bit with some peppers on. A little bit of peppers. I do love my gherkins. I sort of fried up a little bit of mushrooms. So I'm going to put some mushrooms on there as well. Some tomato ketchup. Ooh, I'm going to top our burger. All the leftover veg I'm going to put here. I'm going to have that with my thing.
Oh, I didn't get a photo.
Oh, that was 54 shots, guys. Hi guys, I am back from the garden. We had a brilliant evening, bonfire night, sparklers, and it was wonderful. As you can see, I've made a healthier version of the burger that the children had. The children had chips and all sorts. I have just got my burger with cabbage, because that's what I fancy, and flaxseed oil, which is really, really good for you. So listen, I'm not going to eat this in front of you because it's going to look very, very messy. But like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. And I hope you all had a wonderful bonfire night, guys.
Rainbow lover.